this is like something new I want to try out, where I'm gonna just like, I don't really want to work on like cars like mental, but I want to do like so I can chat away and talk while I'm doing something, while I work with my hands. That looks fucking dumb. That's fucked. That's fucked. Fuck. Need to start this. Need to put this here. Get this on a ramp. Get this here. Neither of these cars have batteries. Oh, look at that pavement though! Oh. Low. Oh, maybe. Hell yeah. She's a 5-banger. God, I miss this car. Oh, it stinks. Fucking something. And the calipers and seats, obviously. Stuck on good. Let's do a burnout, man. Oh man, things feel so bad. Oh, I miss this car, man. Holy fuck. I hate driving the, I don't hate it, but this and the Passat are not even comparable cars. Like, fucking boots open. Got 2 wheel nuts on the back. It should be enough. At least the handbrake works. Like. Oh man, this is beautiful, man. If you have the chance to go buy yourself an E46. Oh fuck. Is he gonna stay? We don't have a handbrake, and we don't. Man. Damn, it looks fucking crazy, man. That's all we need. Get it off the trailing arms. It's not what it is. Get me a bucket. I need to take off this and that, and then 1313. Right. One thing I didn't think about, handbrake cables go through the subframe and they go underneath this fucker, and if you can see up there, that's where they are. I think I'll be able to snake them out. So I'm going to take off the brake lines, take off the prop shaft, and then I'll get back. So I have the subframe out of the car. What I'm going to do now, diff bushings and the trailing arm bushings, and take the diff out of the subframe. We're doing the subframe bushings, and the diff will be put back into the car, but I'm going to make a whole separate video on doing the actual diff to break it up, so it's not like a million hour long video. I got the subframe on the table, my table, and what I'm going to do now is get the diff out of it, doing the diff and subframe bushings. All the bushings are out. It's going to give her a quick clean over, paint her up, and put the new bushings in. So I give that a quick wire wheel. Nothing's crazy, like, you know, if I wanted to do this properly, I would go get it sandblasted and powder coated, but we're doing this on the JD's budget. It's going to look good, it's going to work, and it's going to be protected, but is it going to be the best? No. Is it going to work? Yes. Paint booth. Not too shabby. Bang! So thanks for watching part 1 of me doing the subframe and the diff. The second video I'm going to upload is going to be building the differential into the unit, the LSD. And then I'm going to do another video of actually just assembling everything back together, the subframe, the diff, all back into the car, and then hopefully do a big cheeky burnout and absolutely destroy a set of tires, and that'll be a nice way to start out the life of the diff. Also, I got a valve cover gasket and spark plugs and a coil pack to do before that happens. So anyways, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I really appreciate it. Thanks.